Meeting, guys. What's going on, everybody? So this is just a quick video. I'm kind of getting back into making the videos. You guys know I'm not used to looking at the camera, so I will be looking down from time to time. Most of you guys do not know me. I am Miss Lambert. I own Sapphire Physician Coding LLC, and I'm the founder of Black Phoenix Team Us. You guys can call me Miss Lambert. I know, most people like to call me Miss Lisa. No, I don't like Miss Lisa, but I'm saying, you guys get used to the Miss Lisa thing. Go ahead. I mean, I'm going through the Miss Lisa thing for years, and I don't care if I say call me Miss Lambert, you guys still call me Miss Lisa. So, you can call me Miss Lisa. So, um, basically, I have a medical billing and coding program. It's basically a coding program. I added in the medical billing because a lot of people had no idea what coding was. So that's why I just added a couple of chapters of the medical billing. There's probably about 21 chapters in the whole course, but the medical billing is, it's probably like 10 or 13 in a course in itself. So you guys see me posting a lot. I'm not going to say, which social media, because every time I do that, I end up posting on another one. Then I say something about another one. So we're not even going to mention which social media um, directly. It's for all of you guys. I did want to thank all of you. One of my social media platforms is straight viral. I don't know what's going on, but I'm telling you, I can't even keep up with accepting you guys as following me. It's amazing. Thank you so much. I'm going to try to continue posting. I did post several times a week. I mean, I posted all day long, but that was when my hours were kind of flexible. I'm going to try and get a lot more posts in, especially to let you guys know about the program. So, again, you guys see a lot of things behind me. You see a lot of marketing materials. I do a lot of marketing outside. I go to functions. I go to malls. You guys already know that. I put a lot of things on my social media platform. You guys pretty much like family. Y'all pretty much know me already. So, it's not much more I'm going to say. I just want to do a quick 5 minutes so I can just kind of load this. And then I'm going to do a longer video, in regards to Sapphire Physician Coding. It's a coding program. You guys don't have to, take your certification. It's not necessary to, have a certification to medical billing. You got 4 or 5 months of medical billing and you can pass an entrance exam, you're okay. Even coding, I mean, you go to the hospital, you don't have to have a CPC right off the bat. They give you 90 days to take the CPC anyway. I did want to show you guys this flash drive. I ordered the flash drives because people were asking me for uploads on flash drives, and I used to put them on regular flash drives, but I wanted my own signature flash drives. So now we got them. The coding program, like I said, it has 21 programs. You can get in on the Sapphire tool, or you can have it uploaded on the drive, the flash drive, or I can upload it through Google Drive. So, this is just a little bit of what Sapphire Physician Coding is. And if you guys see me posting saying, I can't do this without you, we got to do this as a team. We do. We have to. It has to be unity somewhere, you know, for us to grow. We have to grow. In order for me to do that, we got to do this thing together. Same thing with you guys. You guys got something and you need to have it, supported, you want circulated, let me know. You want something put on the Facebook or Instagram or whatever, platform there is. Let's get it out there. It's all about unity and growth. I saw something on Instagram. I can't even think of his name, but he is like one of my idols, and I'm telling you, he got so many ideas. Um, he gave me the idea to, kind of revamp, my whole website, and it's wonderful. You guys make sure you check it out, www.sapphirecoding.com. I'm not sure if I'm going to make one more than 30 minutes, but we're definitely going to get it out there. Again, this is just an introduction. I am Miss Lambert. Make sure you guys hit me up. Those of you who like to call me Miss Lisa, you can call me Miss Lisa. I would prefer Lisa if that's okay. So, all of you guys who have hit me up on the platforms and the social media, thank you so much. I'm going to try to give you more of this. We got to get this going. I want you guys to check out my website. Check out my books on Amazon, Medical Billing and Coding Q&A. Check out that medical terminology series. It's coming. I'm on the second series of that. You can get that from Amazon. So, I'll see you soon. I'm going to shut this down. I'm really testing out the equipment that I have. They set up a little studio for me. I had one before, but it was all decimated. I took everything apart and everything, but it still needs a little tweaking. Certain things I feel like I'm, closed in sometimes. So they got to do a couple of more things. But check out my website. The gist of it is, for us to learn a skill, those of you who are CNAs and receptionists and front desks and things like that, even the RNs, you guys need to learn coding. Let me know. We can do it as a team. It's an independent course. You guys know that. So we'll come on again and do that. But I'm going to go ahead and load this. I don't want it to be more than 15 or 20 minutes so it can load, which I'm testing out to see if it's actually going to load how I'm making this movie. So I'll see you guys next time. I'm going to cut this down just for this few minutes, and then I'll come back on and I'm going to make a longer one. So look out for that longer one. Okay, y'all?